Bitcoin may be about to break as mining hash rate is at an all-time high. GameStop launches its NFT Marketplace, and Rick and Morty founder launches a massive NFT collection. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop our latest content. As always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Now, let's get into the news. Due to unfavorable conditions in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin mining companies like Argo Blockchain and Core Scientific are battling to survive. Since Bitcoin is down 70% in 2022, mining businesses have had to deal with a drastic reduction in their main source of income. Added expenses brought on by the sharp decline in revenue and rising energy prices have made matters worse. Other mining enterprises may be struggling and looking for solutions to survive due to similar issues. One possibility is to sell their Bitcoin holdings. This occurred once in November 2018, where Bitcoin eventually broke down and fell 50% to about $3,000. After 5 months of fluctuating between $8,000 and $6,000 as a result of minor capitulation. A similar sell-off may occur this time. According to several Bitcoin analysts, given that the leading cryptocurrency has been stuck between $18,000 and $24,000 for several months while the hash rate keeps increasing, therefore mining is getting less and less profitable. Bitcoin is now being offered to some major institutional clients. The rising interest in crypto has been relevant among investors, including consumers, retailers, and organizations. Large banks have also started to provide cryptocurrency custody for their users, which usually comes at the demand of clients. Apollo Global Management, a $500 billion asset manager with its recent collaboration with Anchorage Digital Exchange, is expanding into the blockchain realm. Apollo has now started holding cryptocurrencies on behalf of its clients, and this collab is considered to be one of the largest and most major moves by one of the biggest asset managers. This decision, even though it's not an ideal time, will be beneficial for several institutional investors, and it's validation that crypto is here to stay. GameStop's non-fungible token marketplace is officially live on the blockchain platform Immutable. The partnership was initially announced in February, and the GameStop NFT platform has been operating as a public beta since July. The official launch will allow marketplace users to access Web3 games currently being built on Immutable, including Gods Unchained, Guild of Guardians, and Alluvium, as well as additional NFT gaming assets. The Layer 2 scaling product can facilitate 100% gas-free and carbon-neutral minting and trading on the GameStop NFT Marketplace. GameStop has been working to build out its suite of Web3 integrations over the past year. In May, they released its self-custody crypto and NFT wallet. In July, it linked up with Layer 2 scaling solution Loopring to process transactions for its beta marketplace. And most recently, the retailer announced an upcoming partnership with cryptocurrency exchange FTX. It seems GameStop has been making some pretty impressive moves to adapt to the new gaming landscape. The most anticipated Cosmos 2.0 proposal voting has begun. The new upgrade for the Cosmos blockchain, if accepted by Atom owners and community supporters, will mark one of the most significant alterations to Atom's tokenomic architecture since Cosmos was first made available to the public in 2016. On October 31st, 2022, a process for an on-chain voting to update Cosmos's cross-network infrastructure platform to Atom 2.0 began. Atom 2.0 is a new vision piece and counterpart to the original 2017 Cosmos whitepaper that focuses on inter-blockchain communication, interchain security, and liquid staking. It marks the transition to the next phase of the Cosmos Hub as an infrastructure platform. The main point of contention for Cosmos token holders surrounds the Atom token issuance. Atom 2.0 proposes inflation on the token, and it's not fully clear on how Atom 2.0 is going to be governed and how it will be spent. Although the outcome of the vote remains up in the air, tensions are quite high, and it seems everyone is calling for more clarity. Kyber Network's DEX aggregator and liquidity platform KyberSwap has integrated multi-chain to bring even more ease and accessibility to its KyberSwap users. So you can now bridge your token assets from chain A to chain B in one single transaction. The CEO of KyberSwap says this integration takes us a step closer to the reality of making decentralized finance easy and accessible for all, with KyberSwap as the only DEX you need to use. Already, users have the best swap rates through KyberSwap, and now we've eliminated the need for external dApps for bridging and cross-chain swapping. CEO of Binance, CZ, speaks on his $500 million deal with Elon and Twitter.
We want to help solve those immediate problems, like, as you just mentioned earlier, charging for memberships, etc. That can be done very easily globally using cryptocurrencies as a means of payment.
CZ highlighted that even if the valuation of these social media sites like Twitter have fallen lately, he sees Twitter as a free speech platform that has not been run or monetized properly, and he sees big potential with it. He goes on to say that he wants to make sure that crypto has a seat at the table when it comes to free speech, and that there are more tactical things he wants to help with bringing Twitter into the Web3 space, such as paid subscription plans that can be done very easily with cryptocurrencies. Rick and Morty co-founders' NFT collection sees $14 million in trading volume just hours after mint. Justin Roiland, co-creator of Rick and Morty, which is especially popular for the crypto-native crowd, launched Art Gobblers, a collection that's goal is to create a decentralized art factory. The collection, which was free to mint, has now so far seen over 96,000 ETH in trading volume since minting last night. Each of the collection's 2,000 NFTs are meant to function as on-chain transferable art galleries. Owners of the NFTs can digest artwork created on the project's website to add to their art bellies, which become curated collections that are also transferable. As of now, the collection is sitting around an impressive floor of $19,000. In less than 1 day of trading, the collection is already in the top 10 of October sales volume. Crypto.com has become an associate program member in Singapore, and the company will now be able to deploy their Crypto.com Visa cards there. The Visa card is the largest product in its category worldwide and accepted by more than 80 million merchants. Customers can do regular business while also earning a range of advantages for card members and Chronos rewards across different card tier levels. Partnership further adds weight to crypto assets becoming more and more mainstream. That's it for Altcoin Buzz news updates. Thank you for watching.